Hello everyone, this is A. Jenny Nirmala, Assistant Professor of English, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Ottanchitram. Today I am going to discuss about university wits and their important works. The term university wits is applied to a group of English scholars who flourished in the Elizabethan age 1558 to 1603 under the influence of the Renaissance. These dramatists were well educated scholars. They wrote in the closing years of the 16th century. This name was given to them because they were nearly all educated at Oxford or Cambridge University. They had stormy careers. All of them were actively associated with the theatre. They were usually actors as well as dramatists. They understood the requirements of the stage and felt the pulse of the audience. They often worked in collaboration with each other. Their stored material was also common. With this dramatist, English drama achieved the highest point of glory. In many ways, they developed English drama. We have to think of them as a group. They are John Lilly, Thomas Kea, George Peele, Thomas Lodge, Robert Greene, Christopher Marlowe, and Thomas Nast. I would like to share about John Lilly as a dramatist. Lilly occupies a peculiar position. He selected classical themes and stories for his plays. He himself was a courtier. He wrote uh, many important plays. Sappho, Glathe, Endymion, The Man in the Moon, and The Woman in the Moon, Midas. Lilly's contribution to English drama is very important. He was a comic playwright. He gave shape to the romantic comedy. Suitable blank verse was used in his comedies. Thomas Kea. Very little is known about the life of Thomas Kea. Kea specialized in revenge tragedies, and the Spanish tragedy is his masterpiece and occupies an important place in this history of English drama. Next, George Peele. Peele was one of the greatest university wits. His work has a great variety. His The Old Views Tales is the first English play that satirizes the romantic dramas popular at the time. His important plays are Arrangement of Pairs, the famous Chronicle of King Edward I, The Love of King David, The Old Views Tales. In his plays, we notice a high level of poetic attainment. He widened the range of English dramas. Next, Thomas Lodge. Lodge is famous for his prose romances. His romance Resilience suggested to Shakespeare the plot for his As You Like It. His contribution to drama is not much. The Wounds of Civil War is a chronicle play. Next, Robert Greene. Like Lilly, Greene was a playwright and novelist. He attained excellence in both arts. His best plays are Comical History of Alphonsus, King of Aragon, James IV. He was a master of the art of plot making. With him, the love of story becomes central in the art of drama. He contributed much to the development of romantic comedy. Thomas Nast. Nast was educated at Cambridge. He came to London to make his living by literature. He finished Marlowe's Ditto. His prose tale, The Unfortunate Traveller, played a major role in the development of English novel. Christopher Marlowe. Marlowe was the central son of the university, which he is the true founder of the popular English drama. His contribution to the English tragedy is very vital. His main works, Dr. Faustus, Edward II, G of Malta. Thank you all.